Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Lenovo Yoga 7i camera not working. If your Lenovo camera not working, then you will need to consider these options. First, check camera privacy settings. Window settings. Go to settings, then go to privacy, then go to camera. Ensure that access to the camera is allowed for apps. In camera app setting, open the camera and check the setting to ensure the app is set to use the camera. The second option is to update or reinstall camera drivers. For update drivers, press Window plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the Imaging Devices section. Right click on your camera and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver softwares. For reinstall drivers, if updating does not work, right click on the camera under Device Manager. Select Uninstall Device, then restart your laptop. Window will automatically reinstall the drivers. The third option is to check camera in Device Manager. Open Device Manager and look for any warning symbols next to the camera. If you see one, right click the device and select Enable. And in the last, check for window updates. Go to Settings, then go to Update and Security, then go to Window Update and check for updates. Sometime a recent update can fix hardware issues. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.